Welcome to J&J's test video of 9555. This is a 97 80 series LX450, 276,000 miles, runs, drives. Just got a little bit of beat up on it. Fairly rust free. Tailgate's a little jacked up, bumper's a little jacked up. Nothing crazy. It does have some blue seats. Somebody swapped in door panels. 276, 394. Runs like a top. Don't stay up. See if we can drive it. See if the sunroof works. Oh, it does. Right. There we go. Make sure the transfer case works. Climate control works. Oh, a little stiff. Sometimes they get a little stiff and they don't go in. Nope. Ugh. People gotta lube your transfer case leakage. Ugh. There we go. Now we're in low. Creepy crawly. Alright, put her back into high. Oh, the air conditioning works. There we go. Cold. Back in high. Alright. Let me pull out of the way for bear. Down here with the rest of them. I'll make sure these seats work. Reverse works. Alright. Everything works pretty good. Check the seats. Just like normal. Oh, wait, that one. There it goes. Oh, that one's actually work. Check this one. That one does not. The back does. But the back and forth does not. Alright. Still running. Alright, as always, thank you for watching. And have your pets spayed and neutered. And always look at us for some old Japanese SUVs.